you've been talking about achievers and different kind of achievers. Could you describe to us that when you say achievers, what do you mean by achievers?
So achievers could be of different types, and it really doesn't matter what are you achieving at it. Somebody could be achieving good in sports, somebody could be academically strong, could be good at whatever ways they are focusing on. I think, as I mentioned earlier, it's really on the child and the parents to make the future of the child. So the point most important is, as a parent, that we should provide them the guidelines rather than focusing and putting things over them. So and give them an opportunity to make their own decisions. That really helps. What we have seen, in the kind of the students, what we generally see now in today's trend, the problems comes into is that we don't see we see child as a child, and rather we don't see them that they also could have their own individual thinking and mind, and they could actually, be really value adding into the systems from that perspective.
Thank you very much. And you know that some of our achievers in the world are dropouts of schools, and they have done a great job, whether it's India or anywhere else in the country. So I think once we say it in a very negative way, oh, he's a dropout, but you never know, he may be your boss one day. Thank you. Now I leave it to you to ask the panel any questions you'd like to have.
Thank you. Thank you so much. As we're running short of time, if you guys have any questions, they're all available after the session. Thank you so much. I would request Mr. Manish Naidu and Mr. Anil to come up on stage and felicitate the panelists. The founder of Brain Wonders, and Mr. Anil Sharma to felicitate the panelists. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the next section of the award ceremony. We have next top 20 preschools. I request Mr. Manish Naidu, the founder of Brain Wonders, to felicitate. Sir, can we have you on stage? I request Mr. Anil to come on stage. We have the rank 1 on the top 20 preschool list. The first one goes to Kangaroo Kids, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Congratulations on winning the first rank for the top 20 preschool in India, the Kangaroo Kids. Second rank goes to Euro Kids, Mumbai, Maharashtra. The third goes to Gaya Green School, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Ranked fourth is Wales Bibelong High Kangaroo, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Fifth, we have iDiscovery Preschool, Gurgaon, Haryana. Ranked 6th, we have the Bangalore School, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Can we have Ms. Usha Mohan on stage? Ranked 7, we have Indus Early Learning Center, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Are they here? Ranked 8, we have Little Pearl School, New Delhi. Ranked 9th, we have Globetrotters, a Birla Preschool, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. Are they here? Rank 10, we have Calorex Preschool, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Is that Birla School? Ranked 11th, we have Ranked 11th, we have Bambula School, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Ranked 12th, we have Fun and Learn Preschool, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Ranked 13th, we have Viswa Vidya Mandir, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Ranked 14th, we have Windows Playgroup and Nursery School, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Can we have Ms. Monica on stage? Ranked 16th, we have Billabong High International School, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Can we have Mr. Ashish on stage? Mr. Ashish Agarwal. Rank 17th, we have Tulipians Preschool, Kolkata, West Bengal. Ranked 18th, we have Hello Kids, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Rank 19th, we have Little Ellie, Bengaluru, Karnataka. The 20th rank goes to Spring Buds International, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I request Ms. Suma from Kangaroo Kids, Mumbai, Maharashtra, to come up on stage and take away the trophy for the first rank from top 20 preschools in India. Can we all give it up, ladies and gentlemen? Ranked number 1, Kangaroo Kids, among top 20 preschools, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Congratulations once again. Thank you so much. Next up, we have top 10 Montessori schools. The first being moving on to the next category, we have top 10 preschool cum daycare. And the first rank goes to VCare, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Congratulations, VCare. Can we all clap, ladies and gentlemen, for the first rank? And it goes to VCare. Ladies and gentlemen, WeCare also wins the award for leadership management quality. Hebbal, Bengaluru, Karnataka. They also win another award in parental involvement. Whitefield, Bengaluru, Karnataka, WeCare. They get another award ranked number 1 for parental involvement, preschool parameter-wise. Again, they win rank number 1 for individual attention for students, preschool parameter-wise. Rank number 2, we have the Little Company, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Rank number 2, we have the Little Company, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Rank number 3, we have Medham Preschool and Daycare, Gurgaon, Haryana. Rank number 4, we have Vibgya High, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Rank number 5, we have Kinder Care, Hyderabad.